Most CRMs are packed with features tailored for managers, but they overlook the needs of salespeople. They're often complex and frustrating to use. SalesWin is different. It's designed to simplify lead management, giving sales professionals exactly what they need to succeed. When I log in each morning, my to-do list is ready and waiting. It shows me exactly which leads to focus on along with past interactions. As I move through my tasks, I update pipeline statuses, and by the end of the day, everything is checked off. The next step for each lead is always clear, with reminders set to ensure I never miss an opportunity. Here's how it works. I log into SalesWin and access my pipeline view where all my leads are neatly organized. Today, I'm focusing on a lead from Green Tech Solutions who are interested in our top-tier product. I call them to confirm a demo, schedule it for next week, log the call, add a brief summary, update the pipeline status to schedule demo, and set the next action. Now I can move on knowing I'll be reminded when it's time to follow up. What I love about SalesWin is how fast and easy it is to add new leads. If I get a lead over the phone, I just click Add Lead, fill in the info, and it's instantly in my inbox to handle later. Lead management becomes effortless, allowing me to stay focused on closing deals. Plus, I know I'll never forget to follow up. SalesWin offers multiple ways to generate leads. I can auto-generate leads with AI bots, use an AI chatbot on our website to send leads directly into my inbox, create custom forms, or import prospecting lists. It's incredibly efficient, and best of all, every lead flows directly into the pipeline. Getting started with SalesWin is simple. Sign up for a free trial, set up your pipeline, invite your team, and start converting leads into clients. Salespeople love using SalesWin. The platform is so intuitive that they naturally log all their activities, eliminating the need to chase them for reports. You can easily see how many calls they've made, meetings they've attended, and deals they've closed, all in real time. SalesWin. More focus, more wins.